This interview was recorded as part of a session titled Perspectives on Societies and Inclusivity, a Community Dialogue. This video was shown in that session at the Federation of Genealogical Societies Conference, held August 21st through 23rd, 2019 in Washington, D.C. The session in Community Dialogue was facilitated by Linda Harms Okazaki, Joshua Taylor, and me, Colleen Robledo Greene.
The big shift for the Texas conference was really twofold. One was we were changing our conference model anyway and really broadening what we were doing to more of a regional or national model of having multi-days, multi-tracks simultaneously. At the same time, we recognized that the demographic, the makeup of our audience was certainly skewed versus what you would see in the general population, or either current or historically. And we actively thought of ways that we could make a change in that. So we felt the best way to take on that challenge would be to broaden our offerings, both from point of view of the topics that we were offering, as well as the speakers that we were selecting. And it was a conscious decision to do so. So we felt the best way to take on that opportunity was to actively recruit speakers who could present on Hispanic topics or African American topics, and not just have the speakers present on those topics, but also present on other methodology or research topics, so we can have those same speakers in front of the broader audience as well. It's a benefit to the speakers, it's a benefit to the organizers because it keeps our costs back in line. It's a benefit to our general attendance as well, attendees. To everyone has this cross exposure. And gut feeling is it's been very successful for us. And even if it hadn't, then that would be an opportunity to take a look at what we've been doing and how we could change. But as I said, attendance has been growing in the sessions. We've always been fortunate to have a lot of great local speakers, and by word of mouth, we've had a lot of national speakers now submitting on a regular basis for our conference, particularly speakers of color. So that's really helped us a lot. I can't really identify any one thing that we've done other than to say, let's do this. And that's been successful for us. As far as other societies wanting to do the same thing, I don't have any one specific piece of advice other than what's been successful for Texas has really, I feel, just been the desire, the obligation to reach as broad an audience as possible, and how to best serve everyone who has a desire to attend our conference, whether that be in person or through webinars that we may do.